Oh, you having fun?
Yeah.
You got it recording?
What's bad is you can feel the vibration through the ground with this. That's very bad.
You got it recording, or you just on standby?
Oh, I got it on record. Gunpowder. Hey, Mom.
Hello.
Don't give me that look, old man.
You bored?
No.
So what?
I just messing with you.
Yeah, you really shouldn't do that.
What?
That's just mean.
What you done with this?
I don't know. Wait till you fall asleep and take a recording of you snoring.
Yeah. That'd be funny. That one sounds like a damn wounded bear. Or jet taking off.
Yeah. I think you can bring down the whole house with your snoring.
You disturbed the neighbor's space.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
He room with me one time. He pulled the damn curtain. He felt the air pressure change in the room. Tornadoes and shit start forming. Weather front.
I've slept with you in the bed for 15 years. I know. You ain't coming in that long.
I don't
Two.
think.
Okay.
I know. I woke myself up. I know I did. I really like them.
You've done that on quite a few occasions.
Like them good old pooch. You wake yourself up. Look. Damn. Look at this. Make a shot. This sounded like I had a tongue in it.
Oh, Dad. Gross. You know that? I don't want that stupid ball, mister.
We got it good slobbered up.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, you want this ball? Alright, here you go. Oh, there's a food ball. You better get up.